Hungry Man TV dinners, because I'm a very hungry man.
No, you're just fat as hell.
We've got tuna casserole with cornbread, I guess. Stick it in the microwave. Hungry Man TV dinners.
Tuna casserole.
In the microwave, yep.
Yep, that's
Yeah, that's just microwaves.
Good. Stop recording.
Alright, so it appears to be. Oh, fuck that. Okay, it's done. Fuck.
Get.
Okay. Yeah.
Just open it.
Why is it soupy? It looks like, what the fuck's going on? People eat this?
What the?
Oh. Why is it soggy and spongy at the same time? I gotta eat this. I gotta put this in my body. What the fuck is this?
This is delicious, man.
Why? It's soggy.
Okay, wait. Let me just.
Delicious.
Tastes like shit.
Shut the fuck. Let's try the sponge. I mean, why? Why? I can't. No. How does it taste?
Like a sponge.
Let me try.
It tastes like bread.
Bro, why does artificial have a flavor?
No.
Why is it sweet?
Fucking sucks.
So, I would recommend this to everyone who isn't me.
Yeah.
Cut. So, this is delicious.
Yeah,
I would so
really
recommend this to... Get that out of here, bro.
Yeah, really good.
I would recommend this for
all
my
of it.
dog. And everyone who is my enemy.
So good. It's tasty, amazing.
So, I ate it all. It was amazing.
Amazing.
It was great. Food review.